Good morning and welcome to Bullion Farm. We are with the egg layers, the Isa brand, potential egg layers I should say. These ones have not started laying, they are at point of lay. We have 33 of them here looking at us as they are feeding. We also have about 30 something. Size I think 35 or 36, 37 broilers akin to these layers. We are waiting for all of them to start laying egg, and it has not happened anywhere. Once it does, you will be the first to know. So let me show you the broilers, and we continue to see them. Here are the broilers. I don't even know if I can be able to count, but I think there are something here. A number. I added extra one like I said yesterday. These broilers are all fine, heavy, and doing very well based on their age and size. So what we're looking for is just an egg to drop here to start making nests for them. Because as it stands now, they are not yet egg layers. Happy farming. This is Bullion Farm and I'm still your host Choice. If you've not subscribed to our channel, endeavor to do so. So many things are happening and will continue to happen in this farm. If you follow us, you will be the first to know, or you'll be among the first to know. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.